Hi guys, Mrs. Hawes here for virtual art lesson number 1. You're probably finding this page either on Google Classroom or you might be finding it on Google Sites. Both places will be the same, but I want to give you a little tutorial of some art learning that you can have virtually. Okay, so if you're looking on Google Sites, you'll see that I have posted the first choice card and I'm showing it here to your left. You are to literally see what art materials that you have handy. See if I can make that bigger. There you go. Great job there. So you have this choice card. They'll be changing each and every week. The first video you saw that says Art Scavenger Hunt, that was to just really see what you had available for you to learn with, to use, to make art with. It's going to be different for each one of us. I did find a few, but I really had to scavenge from all my children to find the art materials that would work best for me. Now you'll notice on this bingo board, this choice card, there's lots of activities that you can do. I'm only expecting you to pick one. No more than 25 minutes once a week. You can pick any choice card, any box that you want to do, read through them, see what you have, and have fun. You do not have to send it to me. You do not have to show it to me if you don't want to. If you'd like to, certainly email me your picture with what you've done. Send it through your phone, text it, whatever, but you are not required to do so. Each one of these is for different levels, so no matter what grade level you're in, pick one that works best for you and your family. Are you ready? Set? Go have fun.